What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Arnold with Trucktivity. Man, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Man, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. Helps out the channel a lot. We're trying to get as many subscribers as possible and as many views as possible, man. Thank you guys for all the support. Make sure y'all go follow us on Instagram at Trucktivity_. Put it right here for you guys. But man, today's gonna be an exciting day. We have a couple things to do. First, we're gonna go to my boy Grinch's. We're gonna go do the level kit on the truck. We're gonna do the level properly on the front. He already bought the setup from him, so we're gonna go over there. We're gonna do that nice leveling kit on the truck, and then I got a couple other surprises for you guys for the truck as well. So I'm kind of just waiting to see who answers first. I've been shopping around, and I've been shopping around for some rims for the truck. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all we're gonna get some 22s for the truck. I'm in contact with one guy, and I'm just waiting for him to respond. And once he responds, I'll go pick up the wheels. But we already got the cash and everything. Got a little, this is what I've been wanting, man, for a little bit. Micheladas el Güero. You already know. I'm the milk video after yesterday's vlog. We went out, man. We had a good time with the bro. Sheesh. The Bay Boys, man. But yeah, guys. So we're here, man. We're hanging out. I'll keep you guys posted, man. I'm waiting for one of these guys to respond. I'm gonna go take care of some business I have to take care of first in the meantime. And yeah, we just kind of just waiting. You know, hopefully one of these guys responds and we're able to go do that. So we'll be heading to Grinch's more than likely first. He probably just still sleepo. So keep you guys posted, man. I'll let y'all know in a little bit. Peace. All right, guys, what's up? So went to go take care of some things. Grinch ended up responding, and we're actually on our way over there to his shop, and we're gonna go and do the level kit on the truck. So that's what we're gonna do first. The guy from the rims responded too, so we're gonna be getting those as well. So it's gonna be a good day. We're on our way to Grinch's right now. It's kind of rainy, man. It's kind of not looking good. Grinch said it was gonna start raining around 4 or 5, but man, I couldn't get out here any quicker. So hopefully, you know, it's a little setup or something, and we're able to still get it done. And yeah, man, it's gonna be nice. So we're on our way over there right now. Hopefully it goes good. Keep you guys posted, and I'll let y'all know whenever we get there. We left for like 5 minutes. We got here already with my boy Grinch. So what's up, Grinch? Hey. We left for like 5 minutes to take the whole fucking thing apart. Went to go get some little beer. He said if we want to go over there, right? Let's go see. Let's see that. I got here with my boy already. So actually, whenever we were pulling up, Scarface pulled up. As soon as we got here, Scarface got here. A big ass fucking monster truck. Pretty tight. Let's see what he was leaving. I think something fucked up in the truck. A ver qué le pasó. That's what he said, right? He was like, if y'all want to go over there. Yeah, so Grinch pulling out the tools. Fixing.
No fuel.
Let me see. I'm gonna go look for a little.
Dale. I'm trying to take it out with.
You don't mind coming out on YouTube, Scarface?
On YouTube?
Yeah.
You got a channel or what?
Yeah, I got a little channel.
What it is?
Badass fucking truck.
Andaba dando la vuelta aquí en el barrio y se le reventó un pinche, un alambrito y mira, ven para que veas lo que se chingó. So, this little thing right here se quebró de aquí y ya con eso se apagó la pinche camioneta.
God damn.
And all it is a gram.
Damn.
Yeah. I was telling Grinch that I kind of like to drive it around right here because I want to go to Crosby next week, and I drive it a little bit just to make sure everything's working correctly. Fíjate, eso se chingó right here down the road, so now I get to fix it, and it's one less problem that
you're gonna have at Crosby.
That I'll have in Crosby, you know.
Yeah. Esto no lo había mirado. We've been watching your videos también.
Man, I've been having this truck for 20 years.
For real?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Esta nunca la había mirado.
Menos
in person.
Empezó como mi work truck. And I was actually watching a video last night with my wife from 1999. And 1999, this truck was my work truck.
Damn, that's fucking crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. Y poquito a poquito la retiré y luego la empezamos a levantar un poquito más y un poquito más y un poquito más. Y hasta donde está ahorita la güey.
I was telling my brother right now, whenever we left, I was like, ¿qué onda con las monster trucks? Que miro que todos tienen monster trucks ahorita.
Well,
badass.
I've had, como te digo, it started as a work truck, la retiré y luego le metí unas llantas. Empezó con 33 inch tires, tall, and then it went to 35s, and then it went to 39s, and then 49s, and then it was I think it was 50s tractor tires, and now I think these are 54s.
Damn.
Y poco a poco le hemos ido levantando y haciéndola más perrona y...
You repping too, everywhere. Scarface.
Pues para mí es un pinche billboard esta culera.
Yeah.
It's a big ass, it's just a big ass billboard representing my brand.
Hell yeah. Hey, where you sell at, Scarface?
Man, we have
a lot of
we have
locations?
several stores. Like aquí en Porter tenemos la carnicería Prime, tenemos Dos Botaneros, Guerrero's Meat Market sells my mix. Taquería El Charro, so it's, and I have a bunch of vendors that sell my mix también.
For real?
Yeah. Andamos en todo pinche Houston y por todo. Y luego, pues cuando salimos a los car shows también.
Yeah, I bought your mix at a show before. I think I bought it at Lone Star Throwdown.
¿Cuál think it is?
Güey, se me hace que está dando vueltas con todo y todo, güey.
Sí.
I can't tell with the light. Yeah, dale una vuelta. I think that'll do it.
I got strippers right there in the truck.
Nomás para que llegue.
Nah, he's gonna wrap the wire around the fuel pump, but just to get it to his house.
Y así para que tú sigas ahí en tu
You think that's good?
I think so.
Or a little more? I can do a little more.
I hold the light.
Big
That's
shot.
brown?
Pues mira, está aquí.
Damn. It must have said brown. ¿Ves? ¿Por qué no la usas?
No, porque no la uso, la hija de tu chingada madre.
La desprecias bien gacho.
Sí, nomás está parada.
Let me sharpen it a little more. Para que no batalles.
Badass, huh?
She said, this nigga doesn't move me. I'm gonna break down on his ass.
Pa' que me ponga más atención. Y es el puro pinche ground nomás.
Sí.
Yeah.
Ya con eso prende la güey.
It's touching now. Mira, it's touching now.
Think that's good?
A ver, you're gonna hear it right now. Agarra the tool. I'm gonna hit the switch. Y la pinche pompa se viene botada.
A ver, I'm gonna wrap it around real quick. Hold
A
on.
ver, dale.
I'm gonna rewrap.
Tell me when you're ready.
Hold on.
Tell me if you need lights down there.
Ay, güey. Me candilaron.
Crosby.
Hay que ir a Crosby antes de que acabe el año.
Hell yeah.
One last time at least.
Hell yeah.
Es que está muy corto también el alambre. The wire's too like short. Probably just put a new wire. I think you should be good right there.
A ver, ahí va.
Pinche ruidazo. Man, shout out Scarface. It's a badass truck. Yeah, getting the low kit done.
Luckily he broke down right in front.
I know, imagine.
Right. Now I would have had to go over there. Waste more time.
Yeah. Well, I need to fucking fix this light. That shit looks good, huh? God damn.
Hey, ahorita como estaba sentada, it looked like a stock height or leveled. I don't remember how it looked.
It was a little bit. It was kind of level, but it was kind of like slanted a little bit in the front, very little.
Barely.
Yeah, I got pictures too.
You gotta, yeah. I'd rather look at a picture to see if I'm gonna put the little bottom plates back on, the little bottom squeeze back on.
All right, bet. All right.
No.
I'm pulling up. This is how it sits, look.
Oh, it has drop shackles right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, but these holes be fucking... Quedan bien altas de... Like stock height, estas están bien altas de...
They are, right? In the back,
they're
right?
really high from the back. Even though you put shackles, they don't even look like...
It didn't. No, that's exactly what we were saying. That it was fucking high.
Single cab, they be tall as hell.
You think I'm gonna need to take the shackles off and like, or raise it back up?
I think it should be good. Since it just needed a little bit more, it should even it out.
Bet. Hell yeah. Hopefully it rides good too. Keep y'all posted. Almost done. Well, now almost done with this side, I guess, yeah. Fuck it. She was sitting nice too before, pero. Yes, sir. Ahorita les aviso.
No, los muebles andan fallando hoy, esto se le viene saliendo la...
Estás más salado que la cama de gas.
Sí, güey,
Está
no,
con madre.
Did you open yours o no? Todavía no.
What the fuck?
Bueno, me voy a comer por una fría.
Carbon fiber y todo el pedo.
Aquella se llama Mudweiser, esta se llama la Threesome.
La triste.
Porque tiene 3 llantas. ¿Qué, vecino? ¿Ya acabó o todavía no? Ah, ya se tardó. Ya no va a sacar el world record.
Hey, and I told him, like, man, watch how fast I...
Alright guys, so I'm leaving Grinch's shop, and I'm not gonna lie, the truck is badass. It looks clean, it really needed that. I'm excited for these 22s on 33s, it's gonna be nice. It was a great time, I'm not gonna lie. We got to chop it up with Scarface and Grinch. It was the first time I actually met Scarface like that. I actually got to talk with him and shit, so that was pretty cool. We had a good time. What's up?
Jackie's at Total Wine.
Why?
She said, what do you want?
Let me call her.
Alright.
Alright, bet. Alright guys, so yeah, like I was saying, man, that was the first time I actually got to meet Scarface. Like, I actually got to talk with him, chop it up. I'm not gonna lie, Scarface, cool guy, man. Shout out Scarface. Shout out Grinch too. The truck looks good. I'm not gonna lie, it almost like a little bit higher in the front than in the back, but I'm fucking with the look, and I know that on them 22s and on 33s it's gonna look clean. So I'm fucking with it. I think it looks good. We're probably gonna go buy these fucking rims right now. I'm not ass. I was supposed to meet that guy up, and I just didn't have the chance. So I think we're gonna go right now. And yeah, I'm gonna stop at the gas station right now. I'm gonna show it to y'all. We're gonna get the truck clean, and it's gonna look good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that monster truck that is the Scarface has is badass. And then that little threesome, the little fucking motorcycle is pretty tight también. So it was cool, man, hanging out with them. Shout out y'all, man. Shout out Grant. Shout out Scarface. We had a great time. Thank you guys for the hospitality. And yeah, I'll show you guys the truck right now, right here at the little gas station. We'll pull up. Peace.
Es que
La verga.
la va a mentir, güey.
¿Cuánto tiene ahí? A ver. La verga. A la verga. A la. A ver, ¿cuánto tiene, güey? ¿Cuánto tiene?
87, 3 cuartos.
Esto puta. ¿Cuánto tenía ahí atrás?
It's taller from the front.
It is, right?
But I like that look.
Yeah, I kind of like it too, I'm not gonna lie. I think it looks good.
Once you got
The 22s on the 33s. And we're gonna go, I already called the dude. He said not tonight because he don't like doing business in the dark. So we'll do it tomorrow. I told him tomorrow 9 a.m.
you're gonna need an alignment.
Yeah, I'm gonna need an alignment.
See it?
Yeah, I see it. He like tilts it out. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, whenever I came back here, I was able to see it. She was good. Hell yeah. Looks good, guys. Looks good.